To fix a squeaking Whirlpool dryer, several possible causes should be considered. First, the dryer may be unleveled, which can be confirmed by placing a level on top of the appliance. If it is indeed unleveled, the legs should be adjusted until the level indicates they are even. If the squeaking persists, the legs should be tightened with a wrench if they are loose. Alternatively, the dryer can be pulled away from the wall, tilted backward, and supported with an object to secure it. Another potential cause of the squeaking noise is loose screws in the dryer, which may be rattling against the drum. To address this, the screws around the drum area should be removed and then re-tightened with a screwdriver. It is also essential to ensure that no other parts are rubbing against each other. Finally, damaged drum rollers could be the source of the problem. To diagnose this, the rollers and their shaft should be examined for signs of wear and tear. If one of the rollers is worn, it is recommended to replace both rollers, although the shaft can still be used if it is in good condition. By following these steps, the squeaking noise can be eliminated, and the dryer can function properly again.